Hey Crazy Fam, it's Angie.
And Gracie.
And today we're going to the Home Depot, the Lowe's, and the Tractor Supply to see what kind of Halloween decorations they have. Ooh, the spooky decorations. Alright, let's get to the fun, guys. Alright guys, let's go check out the Home Depot's Halloween decorations. I'm very excited to see this. Alright guys, I guess it's too early for us, but no decorations right now. Let's go to Lowe's. Alright guys, let's see what's in the Tractor Supply. Alright guys, we can only just find this small little section in the fall and Halloween decor at the Tractor Supply in Cookeville, Tennessee. We got $17.99 for these solar lights, the pumpkins.
I really like them.
Me too. And then we got $19.99 for this light up pumpkin as well. Same thing with this one, $19.99, also lights up. We got some more solar pumpkins, a different design this time. And then for $24.99 we have this awesome pumpkin yard sign.
It's metal.
Metal yard sign, yep. And then this one is a wooden yard sign, or inside use actually, for $29.99. Alright guys, for $49.99 they also have this skeleton bowl. They have a skeleton, I know what this horse. That's a skeleton horse, so buy. Those are creepy looking. And then for $39.99 they have the skeleton dog. And for $12.99 they have these skeleton ducks. Those are so creepy, but I love them. They have a skeleton rooster as well, and then a big giant skeleton rat. Those are creepy. Aw, skeleton small ducky. How cute. And disastrous at the same time. They have the skeleton spider. Those are cool. And they have some more pumpkins, light up pumpkins. And then these guys up here for $59.99. Playing some music. Those are really cool. And we got some skeletons right here. We've seen skeletons everywhere. These are $39.99. Those are cool. $19.99 for these solar light ghost stakes. And the arms. Those are really cool. We also have some shimmering web. Some more spider webs. An actual skull. Oh, it's a try me. Lights up red. That's cool. And then we have some of these solar lights. They're so cute. They're gonna run you for $9.99 for those. And then we got some creepy spiders for $7.99 right here, and mini skulls right here. This is for $4.99. This is super cute. And then smaller little animals right here, and then more skeletons and pumpkins. That one looks like Jack's skeleton. And for $9.99 we have the safety lights. Those are so cool. Good for kids to have. They have some metal crows right here. Some baskets behind the rat. Some nice vanilla pumpkin smelling candles. And some jack-o'-lantern metal holders that light up. Those are pretty cool. We got some pumpkins right here. And that will run you $19.99 for those. Those are metal. And more inflatables. Those are super cute. We got another spooky ghost solar light. And a closer look at that basket. For $19.99 they have these solar spider lights. Those are cool. And then for $29.99 they have this crow beware sign. I really like this one. Okay guys, we're back at the Lowe's in Cookeville. Let's go in and check out everything that they have now. Wow guys, look at all this stuff that Lowe's just put out. This is amazing. Holy cow. I love it. Let's go check it out. For $249 we got this haunted tree. Danger, haunted forest, and turn back. Oh, there you go. The crow moves.
And all the lights light up. It's a hook time.
That's cool.
Yes.
Can't really tell it lighting up, but It does light up. And we got Mickey and Minnie. Gracie, how much are those? Did we find that? We'll try to get you a price. But anyways, we got this Halloween Manor entranceway for $2.19. That's nice. And then we got some of these pumpkins right here.
Halloween Manor, it says. I love that.
And this little pumpkin guy is plastic.
And he lights up.
Lights up. Oh, there we go. That's awesome.
He is $19.98.
$19.98. That's a good price. And all these pumpkins starting at $6.98.
And some of this one's $19.98. Oh, they all light. Some of them light up. I guess all of them do that one. Let's see.
Ooh, spooky. I got this cute little Mickey right here also. That's awesome. And then over here, oh, look at this cute little guy. He's so cute.
Oh, he's heavy. He's like ceramic.
Ceramic, heavy.
Yes, we have the Sanderson sisters.
Ooh, how much are those, Gracie?
$24.98.
$24.98. Got some Disney villains over here.
Oh, $29.98.
Oh, the Oogie Boogie.
$24.98. I'm so
You need
sorry.
to check this out. The cute Oogie Boogie. He's so adorable. Let me put him back.
We have, look at this. We have Peppa Pig. We have little baby, I forget his name. He's not Yoda, but I forget what his name is. Grogu, I think it is. Yes. And then we have Minions.
Oh, look at this cute Mickey right here. Oh, Gracie, press that button here.
Oh. Whoa.
You can't really hear it because it's so loud in the background. Oh, but this also moves too.
Let's see. Here, let's put them on the ground.
Yeah, there you go. Rock out, dude. For $21.98, we have these hanging banners.
And garden flags.
And then for $12.98, we have these garden flags. Ooh, the Oogie Boogie. And then also, how much, Gracie?
$1.98. We have window stickies.
Oh, those are cute.
Decals. No, they're not decals. Oh, gel plates, I guess they're called.
I like these. This would be awesome to put on a car. And what's over here?
We have some flaming pumpkin lights starting at $4.98. We have this one's $5.98. This one's $12.98.
Oh wait, there's a try me.
Oh. Ooh. Some more sophisticated pumpkin carving, which is $6.98. I like that. That big old scoop. That's really good.
They also have in green.
Yes.
And then over here. Oh wait, right here.
Oh,
we're
look at
missing
these
something.
fangs.
There you
That's
go.
amazing. Look at this. It's
Oh,
so
wow.
funny.
Ah,
Yes.
that's so cool.
Yes, and these are $4.98.
$4.98 for
Yes.
those. Let's
Right
go over here
we
real
got
quick.
some spider webs. We have 400 square feet for $6.98.
That's cool.
Gracie's not favorite thing. I don't even want to touch it. It's gross. These are $6.98, little ones. And then you have $19.98 for the big ones. It's so gross.
Just
I don't want to.
don't mind me if I.
I don't like it. I don't like it. Then we have $5.98 for some haunted living
Lights
pumpkin lights. The word was escaping.
for $16.98.
Which, please?
That's spooky, like
Happy
spooky Halloween. Spooky Halloween shopping.
Ooh, let's get jiggy with it.
And then we got some more. What are these exactly?
Garden flags.
Yeah, like garden flags. There you go. Which, please? And then we got the cute little kitten with the pumpkins.
Oh.
And then now we're gonna go over here to the big stuff. Look at all the cool stuff that they have. Ursula's up there with a Mickey's ghost. Let me back up and get a better shot for you guys. Michael Myers is up there. Snoopy, Chucky,
oh
Cheshire Cat. There's Mickey and Minnie, Ursula, and a turkey. Never too early for Thanksgiving either. Oh, and Mickey and Minnie.
And Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
Yes.
Look at all this stuff. Wow. We're definitely going to get a closer look. So let's go. Let's get you prices. So for $19.98, these three. The inflatable pirate dog, turkey with the hat, and the ghost.
Those are 3.5 foot. And then for 4.5 foot is the $44.98. So cute.
$4.98 for the dragon. I love that. Oh, and that candy corn. That's cute. Then we have Jack and Sally right here for $34.98.
3.5 feet.
Yes. And then Stitch. Cute little Stitch. He's for $34.98 as well.
My niece Jessica would love that.
Yeah, she would. And Scooby-Doo right here. It's going to cost you $34.98. The Peanut. I love Peanut.
Cute little Snoopy.
And these are pretty much $34.98. And unless you're going to get the two small ones that was up there, that's going to run you $14.98 for those. These decorations are so cute. I like this one. Then we got the pumpkin and the ghost behind them. For $12.98, we had these dangling spider webs. You hang up from the top of your house to the bottom.
23 foot by 19 foot. That's pretty big.
And then right here we have these more inflatables. $56.98 for that one. 6 foot tall. And then a 5 foot frog. The jack-o'-lantern is $56.98 while the frog is $44.98.
And then we have this giant 8 foot wide spider with a skull, which is $16.98. And then we have this haunted clown who's multicolored for $49.98. And then this one looks like it's a threesome here. Oh, that didn't sound right. Sorry, family, friends. 4.5 foot witch and friends for $69.98. And oh my goodness, I love Mogwais. Who doesn't love Gremlins, the movie? Come on, for $34.98. Oh, I want that one. We have Mr. Michael Myers here.
My personal favorite.
3.5 foot for $34.98. And the one and only Chucky for $34.98. 3.5 foot tall. Cute little minions and the treasure cat, both $34.98. And so is the rest of this row here with Ursula. We have Cruella de Vil, and that is the Wicked Witch from Maleficent.
It's actually
right?
Maleficent.
I don't know what she...
It is herself.
I'm saying, like,
oh, yeah.
I don't know if she's a Wicked Witch, right?
Yeah.
Mickey,
so
candy corn.
For this large one, it lights up for $159. The Mickey candy corn. That's so cute. I love that one. And
which is 9.5 feet tall. So, like, yes. Wowzer. That's pretty big.
Then we got the 6 foot tall Mickey with the candy corn hat. And then the Hangling Ursula for $34.98. And then Toothless, the dragon, for $114.
Mandalorian Grogu
for $54.98. Look at this creepy Jack, 9 foot tall, for $169. Then we got the Oogie Boogie for $139. Can't wait for Oogie Boogie. I'm gonna be going to Mickey's Not So Scary party. I'm so excited. Subscribe if you want to check out that video later on in upcoming months. So we got this 8 foot haunted tree for $99.98, and then for $119 we have this pirate inflatable pirate ship. That's awesome. And then for these cute little guys up here.
Yes, and these are all about $39.98 and $32. We have this is my favorite. We all know I love the witch's feet.
Then we have the cat right here. Oh, that's cute pumpkin.
Look at that. It's cute. These are all plastic, so everybody knows they're plug-in. As well as this is a plug-in. Oh, and that's ceramic right there for $39.98. That's a pretty good deal because these are pretty heavy.
That's a cute,
yes,
cute wolf right there, and then that pumpkin that we see.
$39.98. All right, y'all. Here we have some haunted tombstones. I like the one in the back. I don't have a price for it, but it's like a skeleton hand holding a lantern. I really like that.
From the Haunted Mansion.
Yes, and these are $49.98, these tombstones. And you have one over here that's $89.98.
Awesome. And
yes, I love this. 3 set head busts. Oh my goodness, I wish I could see them lit up. That would be amazing. They're beautiful.
Absolutely.
Yes, and then down here we have some haunted ghosts, like it's like a machine.
The Haunted Mansion.
Yeah. Is it the Haunted Mansion?
Yep.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is actually
and
Haunted
then this.
Mansion.
Oh, it's all Haunted Mansion. Okay, awesome. Oh, look, here's the thing from above. So, like, that's what it looks like.
For $44.98.
Yes. And then up here, though, we have another machine for $36.98. And oh my gosh, we got a bunch of Try Me guys. Here we go. Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that's really cool.
All right, let's see what else we got. This one is $22.98. It's a globe. Oh, here we go.
When hinges creak in doorless chambers and strange, frightening sounds.
That's cute. And now we have this one. Let's see. Ooh, that's $24.98. I really like that. Oh, that's cute. It's a little bowl for $24.98. We have a strobe light with skull hands for $24.98. And this little greenhouse scene. And I just want to show you, it does have like an opening.
Oh, wow.
Yes. And then here we have a skull scenery. Or skull, I meant pumpkin, I'm sorry. With a graveyard.
For $21.98.
And then a different color.
Awesome.
All right, here we have for $26.98 a skeleton swing tree. He swings on his own.
It's a magnetic swing.
That's cute. Here we have a skeleton lantern for $39.98. Sorry. Ooh. I like that. That's really cool. And then over here, for $34.98, we have a. Oh my goodness!
Wow.
Look, it's a lantern with a spider.
That's cool. Oh, the
Little
spider's
up there. Mm-hmm. And let's see, where do we try? Oh, here it is. Let's see, 30.
Oh, shit. Jesus.
$39.98 for this beautiful little lady.
Oh, man.
That was great. That scared me. It doesn't take much, but for $32.98, we have this gargoyle who changes color. I like that. That's pretty. We have a mansion lantern here. I don't know how to say that word, so I'm just not going to attempt it, you know. But it's cute. Here we have another projection for $22.98. Wow, that's bright.
Yeah,
Gotta shut that off, because woo. No, that doesn't shut off. So.
All right. So yeah, let's just move on to that.
This one here is $26.98. It's lighted, but there's no Try Me sign. So.
And also this one right here, it's it's shut off. Graveyard bust, 10 set for $39.98.
And here we have some more inflatables. We have a clock for $129. We have the hitchhiking ghost for $179. And we have a tombstone for $49.98.
This is a Try Me, Gracie.
Try Me. Haunted Mansion. That's cute. We have some books for decoration here. Nope. What are they? Let's see.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, yes. Does it
they don't move.
They move.
They do move. It's just not on.
Yeah, there's no Try Me, guys. Boo. But they do move. That would be cute, just sitting still.
Yeah, so if you pull this one, all of these would move.
Yes.
That's
super
cool.
I love that. Yeah, look at this one. It's $14.98. Ooh,
That's
I like
cute.
that. This one is
The candlestick holder.
Yes, $26.98.
That's really awesome. And
And
this
then-
is my personal favorite.
Yes, I
I
love
might
this
get
one.
this.
For $24.98.
Here's your chance to get me back for those times I egged your house.
That's so cool.
Alright guys, down here we have pumpkin holders. How cute is that? You put your pumpkin on there, it looks like their head, for $34.98. For $36.98 we have this little tombstone with the skull head coming out. I like that. $44.98 we have this No Rest for the Wicked. We have this giant skull one, which I really like, for $44.98. And for $49.95 we have an other one.
Wow, this is so
This
cool.
is so cool.
And for $28.98 we have these pumpkins that light up. There's no try me on that. But then we have the skull. Let's take it down. And this does not have a price either, but it glows. And we have these awesome lit up candle holders. Enter if you dare. And then we have this giant pumpkin. And then we have right here, guys, the smaller pumpkins for $28, $29.98, $19.98, $34.98. They do pretty much the same thing, just glow like that. And then this one's a 10-inch blow mold pumpkin. The light bulb inside glows. And then we have jack-o'-lantern pathway stakes for $28.98. And then right here we have multi-functioning string lights. There you go. That took a second. For $22.98. And then over here we also have the purple micro curtain lights. I really like those. Purple and orange for $19.98. And then we have dripping lights, orange and purple, for $22.98. And then we have an animated skull projection for $21.98. A pumpkin jack-o'-lantern for $26.98. And a house fire projector. That's pretty cool.
Yes, I like
$26.98. And then also we have this Kraken Skull string lights for $24.98. This weird looking pumpkin that lights up for $39.98. Let's switch sides. And then right here we have another one.
That one plugs up.
Plugs up, yes.
Yes.
$24.98 for
So
this
does
one.
this next one plugs up.
$39.98 for this one.
I really wish I could see this one though light up, because
Yeah.
obviously the eyes light up and like, oh my goodness.
And then for $69.98 we have this giant pumpkin. And then the smaller one for $54.98. Oh, this is a creepy one. And this is not plastic. It is plastic inside. I think it moves, so let's just press the button. It's like rubber. Yeah. Oh, there, that's why.
Can't hide from me. You saw a ghost.
That's awesome. I like that. This one has, it looks like it's the same. almost.
$39.98. Oh, I'm ready for this one.
Yes.
I like that one a lot. Holy cow.
That's awesome. For $39.98, that's pretty cool.
Oh, absolutely. I love it. And we have these face pumpkins for $18.98 each.
It lights. It's got a try
Oh,
me.
do they?
There's
Oh,
a try me.
sorry, guys.
Yes. Oh my goodness, I love it.
I can't get that one. Hold on. There we go. They do the same thing.
Yeah.
And this one for $39.98.
See that flying witch? She's dressed so dandy. She cackles hello, but don't take her candy. Keep your eyes open wide
And your flashlight by your side.
Hope these advice will come in handy.
Alright, we got cracked skull pathway markers for $34.98. I like those a lot. And then a small little fog machine no, excuse me, a fog machine timer remote. That's cool. And then the actual fog machine for $49.98.
And then a bigger one down there for $99. This one's a 400 watt. This one is 1,000 watt.
And then fog machine, bog fog right there. And then there's that pathway markers for $19.98. And these giant pumpkins. These giant pumpkins right here for $69.98. That's really cool. This giant pumpkin too, $59.98. Here are some of those inflatables that we just seen. Those are so cool. I love this. I love Halloween time. Oh, there's that skull spider. That's awesome.
I just gotta say, guys, like, I really like Lowe's Try Me buttons on these big ones because it's amazing. It's hard to hear them, but they're saying creepy stuff. And then we have, oh, this guy is just like motion activated. He's $39.98, while the swinging twins there are $109. And then we have Pennywise, which is $239. And these little light bulbs here that are lighting up, I really like those. There's no try. I think it's motion activated. They just kind of blink. Woo! Here we have some leather faces, little ones. I don't know the price on those.
$34.98.
Okay. And then we have another Try Me button.
$2.79.
Hit it, Angie. Yes. He's so cool. And then down here.
Real quick. This is our second Leatherface.
Oh, second
video. And both of them are from different movies, and I really like both of them. They're both different in different ways. Spirit Halloween was a little bit more, but this one's a little bit cheaper. I really like them.
And like down here we have an It Glow. Oh, my daughter would love that.
Oh, that's it. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna pull this off the shelf. I have to look this.
And here we have a It string lights for $24.98. We have another Globe. Let's see, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. We have some string lights for them as well for $24.98. Here we have a hanging light. Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, I like that.
And then, I don't like it.
$16.98 for that.
Here, one of the coolest things I've seen is for $26.98. This little doll here. Look at this. If that ain't creepy, then I don't know what is. So here we have $9.98 for some skeleton grave peeper, and then a grave breaker we have $16.98. Grave mound we have $10.98. We have keep out boards for $8.98 and beware for $8.98. $19.98. We have some more decorations just come out of the yard. It's cool, like they just sit there. And we have Scream. Let's see. Oh, I like that.
That's cool.
Yes, it's subtle but nice. I like it. $19.98 for that one.
$12.98 for these flickering spooky Halloween pathway torches.
Wait, it says Try Me.
Oh, does it? I didn't see that. I'm sorry.
Yes. Let's see. Ooh. And here's those creepy lights from up above for $32.98. We have leather face pathway lights for $34.98.
Oh, those are the same ones from up there. Sorry.
And then we have an It. Oh, I like that.
Here's
here's
all the boxes.
The boxes of the ones from up top that we showed you.
And for $59.98, these big skulls. I really like these. Sounds like alien noises.
Alright, and here we have some pneumatic characters. So here's this clown guy. Whoa, shoot. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Can you shut him off?
Yeah, I
wow. And these obviously have air compressed. Wow, that's really cool. She's $358. So is he. And then we have this crazy guy over here. You ready, guys? Oh my Lord. He doesn't shut off.
Alright guys, for $139 we have the toy box, animated toy box. That one was so cool. And then for $249 we have the cemetery angel. And then for $125 we had this hooded greeter, the 6-foot tall one. And then down here we have, that's the same one, an animated zombie for the $79.98. That 6-foot animated clown for $189. And then the 29-inch jumping girl for $139. And then down here we have the haunted doll, 3-foot haunted doll for $49.98. The big breaking zombie, 9-foot breaking zombie, that one was huge. That was for $5.98. And then over here we also have the Witch with Skulls, that is $279. The Manor Archway, that is for $219. Up here, the same thing. And then
Leatherface.
Yeah, Leatherface, $279. And then the 6-foot guard zombie for $209. And these are the same ones.
Yeah.
For $279, we have that witch.
For centuries I have waited for this moment to cast a spell for the ages. Come together and gather, or prepare for the consequences.
Here we have activated. This little guy doesn't have a pulse. I don't remember seeing him, but...
Yeah.
And then we have this Annabelle doll. She kind of moves. There she goes. Alright, and here we have this guard zombie. Here we have the jumping girl.
Would you like to play with us?
Oh.
I like that one. It's like Mummy.
It is. That's really huge too.
Yeah.
That's 12 foot right there. Holy cow. 12 foot. And then let's go to the next one. Which one is it? And it doesn't seem to be working, unfortunately. Oh, there we go.
Oh, here it is. I was thinking it was the big guy, but that's cute.
I like that.
Yeah, I really like that.
We got the zombie moving back there. And then over here, which one's gonna go off? Look at that creepy spider. Not the clown.
Did I scare you? Good! I still got it!
And then over here we got, which one's the next? Which one's gonna go? This one.
The halls of horror come alive with spiders crawling up your spine.
Oh, come on, buddy, you got it. There you go.
These Bluetooth Reapers can play any song from your Bluetooth phone or device. Just pair to one Reaper, choose a song from your device, and watch and listen as they move and flash lights to your music. And you can even connect 2 or more of these oversized rockers, and they'll play together as a band. Set them on your porch, put them on your favorite Halloween playlist, and let them rock out for the entire neighborhood or trick-or-treaters all Halloween night. Halloween, come on, it's your time to dance with me.
So they seem to be out of the guitar player here at this Lowe's. And $248 for this. That's so cool. And then we got this jumping one right here. Oh boy, I didn't expect that. And then let's see, what else? Oh, the Reaper.
The blackened sky.
And then we got this angel.
As the flickering of dying candle led you to will, then come a child, and know that no one returns from my embrace. Allow me
That's
to
so cool.
drown you in the cool darkness of this cemetery forever.
Hey guys, here we have all these little succulents. They're so cute, from $9.98 to $7.98. They're really cute. I really like this one with the head coming up. Like, there's a bunch of them too. They're all really cute.
And for $34.98, we have these light up skulls. How far? 5 foot skeletons. Sorry, not skulls. Those are pretty cool. And then over here we have the animated wreath.
The ghosts and goblins come out tonight.
I don't see a price for that. Oh, $59.98 for this. That's so cool. And then this 7 foot skeleton, so big, holy cow. That's for $9.98. And we got a, oh sorry, $9.98, sorry. And then we have some smaller skeletons for $14.98. And then we have right over here for $12.98 a box of skulls, a bag of skulls, excuse me.
And they have these bones also.
Oh, and bones for $12.98. The whole skeleton. Yeah. For $9.98, they have these cute, awesome little stuffed animals, plushies. Yeah, plushies. There you go. That's so cute. And then also right here, $6.98 for the caution tape, $11.98 for the danger tape, and the $6.98 for the zombie tape. Those are awesome. We got these holiday rugs for $17.98. And I don't think we've seen these. Animated musical duo for $148. Oh man, I wish we found those. And then here's the tree again for $249. And a bunch of other stuff. Wow. Oh, some more pumpkins. They truly did awesome with all the decorations this year. They went all out. Well, Crazy Fam, that was our video at the Lowe's Tractor Supply. We were very disappointed that Home Depot didn't have anything up yet. It's kind of odd that they don't have it when everybody else has. That's why I think we like Lowe's better. They had an amazing display this year. A lot better than past years. And the Tractor Supply even had a lot of good stuff. The skeleton horse and cows, they were pretty creepy. So remember, if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, because we need the subscriptions, guys. We need to get to, we have goals we got to meet, so we can do more stuff to bring you more content. And also subscribe if you want to watch more Halloween shopping videos, because we're going to go do pumpkin fall everything, flavors wise, that means. We're also going to try the Krispy Kreme Dunkin' Donuts, and see what kind of fall flavors they have there. We're also doing a bunch of haunted houses. We got permission to film inside Terror Trail in Sebring, Florida. We also got permission to film Screamageddon in Dade City, and AMS haunted attraction here in Tennessee. So we're very excited. And we also just got tickets for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween event and Halloween Horror Nights in Orlando. I'm very excited to bring you that content. So please make sure you subscribe. Remember, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. And remember, live life, have fun, and be kind. Till next time. Okay, guys. I tried not to walk out with anything, but I seen this and I had to get it. I gotta show you. It's the Pennywise light. I definitely bought it. Well worth it. I absolutely love it. Thank you for watching this video.
Down we go! You'll never hit me, because you mortals are slow. Guys, don't scare me. I've been dead for at least a century. Yes! No cuts, no glory. I mean, come on. Take a stab at it. You get the